Hello friends, in this video tutorial I will show you how to put a rose in a bobo balloon. I will show you the unique technique of inflating bobo balloons and how to make sure that the balloon does not deflate. I will teach you how to make a simple and very beautiful decor for a balloon. So let's get started. I don't stretch the balloon beforehand, I immediately start inflating it. Start inflating the bobo balloon with an air generator, and as soon as you notice that the balloon has deformed, stop inflating and quickly twist the neck of the bobo balloon so that the air does not escape. Place the bobo balloon under your arm. The larger side should be at the back and the smaller one in front. Press down on the larger half of the bobo balloon. The air will begin to move into the smaller half and stretch the walls of the bobo balloon. Next, I will continue to inflate the bobo balloon using an air generator. Pay attention to the seam. You will see that the seam will be perfectly smooth and the balloon will be symmetrical. Next, I'll stretch the neck of bobo balloon a little. Place 2 fingers, 1 hand and 2 fingers, the other hand in the neck of the bobo balloon to the end of neck. Look carefully. The seam of the bobo balloon should be between the middle and index finger of each hand. In this case, the balloon does not tear along the seam. Now pull the neck of bobo balloon in different directions and it will stretch perfectly. The bobo balloon is stretched, the neck of the bobo balloon is stretched too. To put a rose inside a bobo balloon, you need to clean the stem. This should be smooth. To push a rose into a bobo balloon, I use a piece of baking paper. It is very convenient to work with baking paper. The paper slides along the walls of the bobo balloon. Carefully wrap the rosebud and leaves in baking paper as shown in the video. The neck of the balloon is perfectly stretched, and the rose easily penetrate into the bobo balloon. The paper is very easy to remove. Spin the paper in the opposite direction from the twist. The rose inside the bobo balloon. Now I'm going to pour some gold confetti to make the balloon look brighter. I made the funnel out of a plastic bottle. It is very convenient to use it. I'm going to inflate a balloon with a rose and confetti inside. I am preparing in advance a piece of a balloon for modeling. With this balloon, I will initially fix the inflated bobo balloon. After inflating the balloon, fix the rose in the position you need and spin the balloon several times. Then tightly tie the nose of bobo balloon with a balloon for modeling. I tied a tight knot, but my modeling balloon broke, so I'm cutting off the extra part. Now I'm cutting off part of the stem. The stem remains slightly longer than the tail of bobo balloon. The end of the stem is very sharp, so I isolate it with paper tape. Now I stretch the tail of the bobo balloon very well so that it completely covers the stem of the rose. Then I tie a knot at the end of bobo balloon tail. I cut off the extra part and solder the tail with a lighter. Now the balloon is perfectly insulated and guaranteed not to deflate. I tie one more piece of balloons for modeling onto the balloon because mine originally tore. With the help of this balloon for modeling, I will fix the bobo balloon on the holder. I use a balloon holder with a through hole. Now I'm going to put a bobo balloon on a stick, but my stick is black, so first, using a modeling balloon, I change the color of the stick. Take a look at the video of how I do it. Now the balloon stick is white, and we put a bobo balloon on the stick. For the decoration of the balloon, I use a white tulle 3 meters wide and 1 meter long. I folded the tulle 4 times. I fold the tulle and wrap it around bobo balloon. I fix the tulle with a white modeling balloon. Next, I decorate the tulle with a big beautiful pink bow. I make the upper part of the tulle wavy. For this, I push the tulle inside along the central part. I sew the edges of the tulle. A bobo balloon with a rose is ready. Very light, airy, delicate, and beautiful. Thank you for watching us.